welcome to my channel. Right now I have my first drone, which is the MJX BUGS 20 EIS. So right now let's check out what comes in the box. Right now it comes with a nice bag, alright, color gray. So right now, let's see. So as you can see, it comes with a manual. Alright, it comes with extra propellers. And also comes with extra battery because I ordered the one with extra battery. Okay, made in China, of course. And also it comes with screws and USB cable for fast charging. Actually, it's a USB Type-C charge cable, and comes with a remote, of course. Pretty nice, and decent one. And that's the GPS on and off button. Battery compartment. Okay, pretty nice remote. That's about it. And of course the drone itself. So it doesn't have a gimbal, but pretty nice one. So it has a electronic image stabilization. So the back is the battery. There it goes. You can there you go. That's where you put the battery. Alright, so you try to there you go. EIS logo, 4K. Alright, again, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching.